Okay, next module is pre-stressing concrete. What is pre-stressing concrete? Pre-stressing pre-stressing concrete. Pre-stressing concrete means if a beam is having two supports, if we are providing a load over here, it start to bend like this. Okay, so this portion, this bottom portion has tension, top portion is automatically compression. So two stresses. So we can plot the stress plot diagram as this one. This is compression and this is tension. So half of the portion has tension. So we know that concrete is very weak in tension. Very weak in tension. So we want to avoid this tension over beam. For that purpose, we are providing an extra compression over here. So additional a force as this compressive force over here. So the figure like beam like to be, this is a beam and this is supports, additional pre-stressing force, that is P, providing over here. So it is compressing over here. This is the line of action. So the beam itself is react in opposite in this direction. When it starts to bending, that is load is applying, start to bending, here this tension force is start to acting here. So this tension, actually this at the time of loading the stress should be as like, but in this case we have already highly compressive force here. This is already here. So if it is actor, this compression will be reduces because if we are taking this is positive and this is negative, this is opposite action and it reduces, maximum is to 0. So it will not goes to tension zone. So tension we can avoid. This is a principle of pre-stressing pre-stressed concrete. For the purpose of pre-stressing, we have two systems. That is two systems. First one, pre-tensioning. The second one is post-tensioning. Post-tensioning. So two systems of pre-stressing. This what is pre-tensioning? The name itself it's pre. Before casting, we are providing tension or tension over the concrete beam. That is, before casting, if this is a casting specimen, we are going to specimen cast over here. Before casting, we are providing a hole over here, and we are providing a high tensile wire, and then it's tightened to here by hydraulic jockey or nut and bolt system. After that, we are poured concrete over here and filled with concrete. After 28 days of curing, this mold is removed and we can cut over here. So this rod will be highly tension provided inside this concrete to this wire is acted like a spring. So if the spring is highly tensile, it will try to compress. So automatically this highly tensile wire will automatically compress this area of concrete. So this is called pre-tensioning. So pre-tension is pre-stressing we are given before its casting. So next case is post-tensioning. For the post-tensioning, when we are casting a beam, we are providing a duct or hole over this on beam. After 28 days of curing, we are providing a high tensile wire through this duct and take it outside, and then a jack we are providing. By hydraulic jack, it's made to tighten, and it's a type of locks. So how many types of locks is the, it's lock providing lock is the provide to lock here, and then we are cut here and here this, and remove the hydraulic jacking. So it is the provision of tension is given after 20 days of curing, not at the time of casting. The first case is we are providing at the time of casting. This is two type of systems. Both are using simultaneously. Sometimes it's separately according to the usage.